And hi everybody from YouTube. As you can see, this is the brand new POCOPHONE X2, and this video will be only first impression, so check it out. And yes, as you can see, this is the brand new POCOPHONE X2. So talking about, this is a first impression video. I'm not gonna, I'm not going to be talking about everything too deep, just as I said, first impression. So talking about the design, the external design, and some things about the external, this device has an incredible display, 6.67 inches, full HD resolution. And about the design, this phone reminds me a lot a combination between two phones, the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus in the front and the Huawei Mate 30 Pro in the back. So why it reminds me a lot of those devices? Because in the case of this, the POCOPHONE X2 in the front, it has a similar design in the front like the Galaxy S10 Plus, the whole screen and the two holes for the camera, just that the Galaxy S10 Plus has edge screen, and in this case we have flat screen. In case of the back part of the phone, we find that in this case, this particular color is purple. It's the same purple color we find in the Huawei Mate 30 Pro, and also this circular shape of the camera. It's very similar to the same that we find in the Huawei Mate 30 Pro. So as I said, it's a combination for me of those devices, the Huawei Mate 30 Pro and the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. So as you can see, this device has USB Type-C, it has the 3.5mm headphone jack and dual speaker, stereo speaker in the back and in the bottom, and also in the front we have a speaker, so it will be a richer sound, good for playing, good for music, videos, movies, and much more. In the back we find that this phone has 4 cameras and the flash, dual tone flash. Like here you can see the logo, Redmi. And in the front we find that this device, as you can see, the 2 cameras and also the speakers. In the right side of the phone we find 2 buttons, the turn on and turn off button, that also is the Touch ID to unlock the phone, and also the volume down and volume up button. In the left side of the phone we find the nano SIM space to put in the SIM card and that stuff. So talking about the internals of this device has an incredible battery of 4,500 battery mAh with super fast charging. It says that this device can get from 0 to 100% in just 68 minutes, and the battery charge speed is 45 watts. I think it will be showing on here the correct watts speed. So moving to the processor, we find that this device has the powerful 8nm Snapdragon 730G and the Adreno, this the GPU graphics, 618. So this processor, Snapdragon 730G, is the same one that we find in the Xiaomi Mi Note 10, the device that has 5 cameras and the 108 megapixels main sensor, and also more devices like the Redmi K20. Also, this device comes with different configuration of memory RAM and memory RAM. We can find 6 GB of memory RAM and also 8 GB of memory RAM. Also, the memory RAM can be 64 and also, I think 64, but 128 and 256 GB of memory RAM. Also, this device comes with Corning Gorilla Glass in the back and in the front. Talking about the software, this device comes with Android 10. I'm gonna show you now. As you can see, Android 10, and the version of MUI, it's 11.0.2. This device in particular has 256 GB of memory RAM. Also, this device, because of the processor, the Snapdragon 730G, it's capable of Wi-Fi 6, that is the newest version of Wi-Fi. And finally, moving to the camera, setup cameras, it comes with 4 cameras in the back part of the phone and also 2 cameras in the front. So moving to the back cameras, we have the wide angle lens, we have the normal or the 1x, the regular lens with 64 megapixels, and also the 2x, the telephoto camera. Also we have macro camera and the front-facing camera that has like 2 sensors, but as I can see now, this looks like 2, I mean, it doesn't look like 2 cameras, it looks like 1 sensor and the another one, maybe it can be the flash, let me see. No, it's not the flash. I don't know, it looks like 2 cameras, but it's not. It's only one, and the another one looks like, I don't know, maybe it could be like the TOF, the time of flight sensor, to make the portrait mode in the front-facing camera. So as I said, this video is not going to talk about deep about the cameras, about the performance. It's just first impression, and then I will make some videos about the performance, playing Fortnite, playing PUBG, playing Call of Duty Mobile. I will also make a camera review and video review, so I will talk deeper about the megapixels, the quality, the HDR, the video capabilities, 4K, and that stuff. But guys, this has been all about the first impression of the POCOPHONE X2. Also, something important about the screen of this device is that comes with 120 Hz of refresh rate. So this screen is the smoothest I've ever had, and you know, it goes a lot deeper than the regular phones we have in the market right now that has only 60 Hz displays, like the Galaxy Note 10, all the Samsung, all the iPhones. The OnePlus was like the smoothest with 90 Hz of the refresh rate, but this device, as you can see, the POCOPHONE X2 now has 120 Hz of refresh rate. So I hope you really enjoyed this video. If this is the first time you watch one of my videos, do not forget to subscribe, leave a like and comment, so check her out.